What up guys, Angel here, and in this video, we're going to be trying the Chamberlain coffee. Alright, let's get into the video. If you guys don't know, the YouTuber Chamberlain, she made some coffee, and we're gonna try it today. As we can see in the coffee bag, it has Chamberlain coffee, and it has all the information of the coffee. And in the back, you have the instructions. Since this is like a tea bag type of coffee bag, you just need to put water in it. So we have the instructions right here, and some more stuff. So let's go to the kitchen and make it. All right, so right now we're going to open the coffee bag. Like so. It's very strong. It smells like Starbucks. Here we have the coffee bag. So from the instructions, I'm going to place filter in cup and gradually put hot water. So let's do this. All right, so right now we're just gonna leave the coffee for 5 minutes, like it says right here. So yeah, I'll get back to you guys after 5 minutes. All right, this is the first try of the coffee. As you can see,
it was at this moment.
oh, okay, we had to clean that up. Okay, so let's try it. It's actually pretty good. All right, but anyways, yeah, this is pretty good coffee. I'm gonna put some cream in it, and then we'll eat some avocado toast too. All right, so there's no bread to make avocado toast, which is pretty sad, you know, can't make avocado toast anymore. But I hope you guys enjoyed the review of the Chamberlain coffee. If you guys are planning on getting it, you should just put some more cream because it's pretty strong. And that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you guys smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you guys get notified when I upload. All right, that's all for me, guys. Laters.